bright yellow bespoke column casings from Encasement's Verta range are being used to conceal diagonal structural steelwork that runs along the length of Premier Inn's flagship hotel in Cardiff Bay, Wales. Designed by Holden Mateus Architects as part of Cardiff's waterside development, the 8-storey hotel has 210 rooms plus a restaurant, bar and meeting facilities. By using Encasement's Polyma GRP casings to conceal the angular structural steel feature, they not only improve aesthetics, but also provide a weatherproof, damage-resistant and distinctive finish to the building. In addition to the special V-shaped casings that conceal the fixing brackets, Encasement also manufactured and installed 40 straight column casing sections, which are 400mm in diameter and 3.8 metres long. Due to the unique casing design, all the 10mm thick GRP casings were hand-laid in moulds to give a precise form and incorporate the specified high-quality yellow RAL 1018 gel coat finish.